Mojave ground, X-ray 1, ready to check, taxi to 1-2.
Bus 840, traffic's British Nat, head to your right and a left turn northbound.
Side 840.
840, additional traffic will be a F5 and a T38 departing runway 12 shortly.
We're just entering base turn to final.
Okay, looking.
Tally. Rolling through the notch. Do not roll.
And Tango, you guys in?
Yeah.
And ground, X-rays in from the long ways out where we rolled in this morning.
Be aware you have Tango flight ahead of you.
Roger that, this is the off plane now, right? Oh, Kelly Hill.
They're right on your nose, sir. They're at your 9 o'clock.
Roger, Kelly, I'll give him a little time here.
Long Easy 6 Delta Bravo, runway 7, land as to hold shorter runway 12, clear to land. Traffic will be 2 jets departing.
6 Delta Bravo.
Bus 840, traffic's British Nat, head to your right and a left turn northbound.
Side 840.
840, additional traffic will be a F5 and a T38 departing runway 12 shortly.
Alright, turn. Let me know when I can cross the extended center line 840.
Tango 3 left turn ahead, taxi reporting across 7. 6 Delta Bravo, flight clear to land runway 22, see another F5 turning at the intersection of north-south taxiway left of the runway.
The Bravo flight.
6 dB after your low approach right close.
John, push it up a little. Hobby Tower, Long Easy 316 Delta Bravo, flight at 2, 5 north for landing. And Mojave X-ray with 3, turning 3 mile initial 30.
And X-ray report a right brake runway 30.
Roger that, 2 you can cross.
Long Easy 6 Delta Bravo have 3 jet aircraft, right brake runway 30. Wind 210 at 12, altimeter 2991, report 3 north straight in runway 22.
Okay, copy that. We'll call you straight in for 226 Delta Bravo.
Nat X-ray runway 30, wind 210 at 8, altimeter 2991, report initial.
Roger, 2998 and 30. And Mojave ground, X-ray 1, ready to check, taxi to 12.
Nat X-ray runway 7, hold correction runway.